Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are doing a, well, as you can tell by the title, it's a tutorial video. So for those of you who are wanting to learn how to skateboard here in 2025, this is the video for you. Today we're pretty much just going to be talking about ollies. The ollies is pretty much the trick you need to skateboard. You can learn how to do a no comply, but to get up and off curbs, a no comply does have its limits. The ollie is pretty universal. And if you do perfect it, you can get so high. You're like, people will be jumping over the gnarliest stuff. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the number one thing you guys want to be able to do is actually stand on your board comfortably. What I mean is whatever side you ride on, whether you're goofy or regular, so left-footed or right-footed, is to actually get on the board, stand parallel to it, put your foot on, and then jump on it. Now notice how when I did get on it, my right leg, whatever foot you put on it, does pivot right before you jump on. You want to be parallel with the board, you're just going to be more structurally sound. Another good tip about it, bend those knees. So when you're stiff and you're straight up like this, if you're to fall, if you're to try to brace any impact, you're done. You want to bend them, make them kind of like suspension, you know? When you go over something, you're going to bend. So you're stabilized. So always bend your knees, always be parallel with the board. Now the second most useful thing that I've learned while skating the past 10 years is the GTA jump. If you guys have seen any of the Grand Theft Auto memes, played Grand Theft Auto firsthand, then you know what I'm talking about, how they jump. One more time. That's it, bro. That exact same jump translates to you doing the ollie. When we do our GTA jump, whatever side you're gonna be jumping on, whatever side is your pop foot, that's the one you wanna initiate the jump from. You're gonna be jumping off that foot, and just like the GTA jump, you're gonna bring your right leg or left leg up. Now when you do bring it up, you want to turn your foot. When you bring your foot to the side, you're going to slide it up. So you do have to come up and out. See how my knee went this way. He went up and then out. So the same thing. So you're going to use your foot. So same thing. You're going to use your foot. You're going to bring it down. You're going to initiate the jump. You're going to jump with it. You're going to turn your foot. And you're going to slide. And your momentum, because you're, you know, laws of inertia, you're going with it, momentum, whatever, you're gonna land back on the board. And then it should look something like this. So I really wanted to make this next part in slow-mo and up close just to emphasize what is going on with my feet. So if you pay close attention, I'm really rubbing my feet out on the grip tape, trying to figure out what the best stance is and what I'm comfortable to. Since I've been doing this trick so much, I know where my feet belong. So then you notice here, we load up like a spring and we shoot out the gun. But if you do pay close attention, you can notice that my foot sliding up on my left is a little early, and hence why we don't really level out too much. So here you can really see that I'm starting to hit it. My foot's still cusped up into the apex of our jump, and then you can see me level it out and we come back down. And as a matter of fact, we land both. That is almost textbooks right there. Now, with skating, it is pretty easy to get disencouraged and to pretty much stop, just because there does come a point where maybe you feel like you're not progressing, or you're just not catching up to the people you're skating with, or doing things you want to be doing. Now, when it comes to that, it is crucial that you just persevere and you stay with it. I was on and off for so many years, and once I decided to stick with it these past couple years, I immediately learned all the tricks I wanted to learn. And continuing to learn, so it's really dope. So hopefully this video does give you a little bit of insights and some helping tutorials of how to do it. Again, when I was coaching either football or even people skateboarding, I was real heavy on the mechanics of things and the little things. So stuff that can help, like the GTA jump and just the slow-mos and the close-ups of hopefully seeing the timing and all that. That's a big thing I didn't really talk about, is the timing. But again, that's kind of a thing that just comes with it as you learn how to do the skateboard or how to be on the skateboard. I believe in all of you, and I know we can all get to these skate goals together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video did inspire you guys to go outside, maybe get on the board. Summer's coming up. If you're living in Arizona, we're pretty much already in summer. We never had a winter. So get out there on that board, get your ollie down, and I'll see you guys at the park. Peace out.